Famous investor Cathie Wood is known for precise, scrupulous, and conscientious attention to detail. These major attributes stood out for her when she predicted that Cardano ADA is the next big thing. People are ignorant of this amazing fact, thereby robbing themselves of future rewards Cardano has in store for them. Something big is coming to Cardano, and you need to hear it to make meticulous investment decisions. So, without further ado, let's get into the video and find out exactly what we're talking about. So as always, be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. When looking at famous investors, it's common to focus on notable names like Warren Buffett. However, in recent years, someone else has been making a splash in the investing world. Cathie Wood, the founder and chief investment officer of ARK Investment Management LLC, has made a name for herself as a stock picker and leader in the concept of investing in disruptive technologies. A massive number of people have turned Wood into a star in the investment space, especially when it comes to technology and innovation. Her asset management firm, ARK Invest, is known for its bets on technology and innovation. Its fund offerings include robotics, genomics, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and clean energy investments. Wood's focus is now on Cardano, as it seems to be one of the cryptocurrencies heightening her interest. Cathie Wood is also known for making big claims about the future. She advocates for Bitcoin, and she insists that Tesla is still an undervalued company and once predicted that it would be worth $3 trillion at some point. Although many ridiculed her when she first made that prediction, Tesla's market cap was $923.77 billion as of May 4th, 2022. At that moment, the prediction might not seem so wild. These predictions are one of the reasons investors follow Cathie Wood and invest in funds. It is normal for investors to listen to her financial advice and predictions because she has a track record of being right. So, what is this big thing that is coming for Cardano? Well, let's hear from influential and high-profile investors. Cardano ADA is working on delivering the most attractive blockchain projects, which reflect technology and innovation and are capable of attracting thematic investment strategies. This is the prime drive and focus of Wood. A thematic approach to investing centers on overarching long-term trends. Rather than looking specifically at sectors and companies or chasing short-term trends, thematic investing looks for disruptors that are likely to impact what the world could evolve into. Wood's emphasis on technology and disruption has earned a reputation and further influenced her interest in blockchain technologies like Cardano. She claims that Cardano ADA will be the best thing that could ever happen to the entire crypto space. Quite a bold claim. Crypto analysts have followed her path and put the coin as one to watch out for this year. Some are calling recent crypto price actions a return of the bull market. Bottoming at $1.129 trillion on May 12th, the total crypto market cap has seen inflows totaling $188 billion, suggesting that crypto winter might be cancelled. On the other hand, UBS Global Wealth Management Chief Investor Officer Mark Caffelli has expressed caution and claimed that recent positive developments are not enough to call an end to the bear market expectations. A week of positive developments is not sufficient to call an end to recent volatility, he said. However, leading the bull charge for the cryptocurrencies is Cardano, which made a decisive move above 60 cents on May 31st to break a local downtrend. Instead of this performance, ADA touched 69 cents before a slight retracement to 67 cents. Founder of Crypto Capital Venture, Dan Garbadello, has pinned the upcoming bullish performance surrounding Cardano on the upcoming Vasil hard fork, adding that the story only keeps getting better. Cardano's Vasil hard fork weeks away as the story only keeps better for ADA, he tweeted on May 30th. The ADA token has also eclipsed the XRP and SOL tokens of the Ripple and Solana blockchain networks respectively to become the sixth most valuable cryptocurrency. So, will Cardano build on this momentum to recapture former glories? Well, for some people, this rebound is not feasible. The price of ADA peaked at $3.10 in September of 2021, just before the launch of smart contract functionality. Since then, it has been trending south, breaking key support levels on its way down and triggering frustration among some of its members. A local bottom of 39 cents was hit on May 13th as a result of a broader market sell-off due to the Terra implosion. From peak to trough, ADA lost 87% of its value. The good news is that this same Cardano is leading the large cap cryptos amid the market bounce. So what's coming up on the Cardano project? Well, many exciting developments. After building the first blockchain using the proof of stake protocol, Cardano is now working on making this blockchain more competitive. Among the major Cardano developments is the Vassal hard fork, which is expected to make the chain faster and cheaper. The other major thing that the Cardano team is working on is Hydra, a scaling protocol that might make Cardano the fastest chain. The Cardano team is also developing its DeFi ecosystem faster. Many DeFi products and projects will be launched on the chain in the next few months. Indeed, Cardano is a coin to watch this year. Much like Ethereum, which is a process of a series of upgrades, Cardano is implementing a series of hard forks to expand its feature set. In March of 2021, the Mary hard fork enabled the network to become a multi-asset platform. June will see the implementation of the Vassal hard fork scheduled for the 29th of this month. It will bring numerous upgrades to network capacity and Cardano's smart contract programming language, Plutus, which enables its decentralized application development. The impending hard fork is one of the primary causes that may have pushed the price of Cardano ADA higher. A hard fork is a significant modification to the network protocol which validates previously invalid blocks and transactions. When the nodes in the most recent version of a blockchain no longer accept prior versions, a hard fork occurs, resulting in a permanent split from the network version. Another reason why Cardano's value is on the rise is that the data reveals that there has been a significant increase in the supply of native assets on the network. On the Cardano blockchain network, which is home to the ADA currency, over 5 million non-fungible tokens, or NFTs for short, have been minted, indicating increased acceptability in the community. Despite consistent downswings among her family of funds, Woods has been unrelenting in her conviction to invest in innovation-focused companies, loading up portfolios across ARK with companies that have been hit hard by stormy pressures and high-growth technology stocks. Furthermore, even when ARK Invest is embattled, Wood remains optimistic about the future. Even as Michael Burry started shorting ARK funds, she insisted that she was looking into the future 5 years and beyond. This underscores the importance of taking a long-term perspective at Cardano. Cardano has soared higher compared to other smart contract platforms such as Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana, but is yet to be used by a significant part of the world. But what is the reason for this? Of course, it's the same old excuse. Cardano is still new and subject to extreme volatility, but the entire crypto space is characterized by volatility. Some investors have talked down on the long-term prospects of cryptocurrencies, but ADA stands out as an exception. Cardano has multiple use cases and a long-term growth plan, an indication that it has sustainable value. It is capable of surviving just fine over the long term. Well, if you're still doubting, look at cryptocurrency's several growing fundamentals. Right now, things don't look pretty for ADA, as it has gone through such a rough time. For now, there is no way to accurately predict the exact time for its breakthrough, so it makes sense for investors to take a long-term view. Although Cardano is still new, it is severe to undermine the fact that investors and traders can get in very early and become among the few to experience the greatest financial upside. From the looks of things, Cardano's breakthrough seems sooner than we know. The Vassal hard fork. The launch of the hard fork has been one of the widely expected developments in Cardano. It is expected to have greater effects than the Alonso hard fork. How does a game-changing development sound to your ears? Vassal is a big thing, and Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, has confirmed this. You don't know what is coming for Cardano, but you have just been hinted at, so take a bold step and buy some Cardano ADA. Cardano has a bright future, and only long-term investors know this. There is no doubt that the coin can break records. Despite the recent crypto crash, the ADA coin price will go up like crazy and reach a new all-time high. But as always, share your thoughts about this in the comment section below. And remember, be sure to click on the subscribe and bell buttons.